Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. I apologize for my appearance. I'm actually not feeling well this morning, but I wanted to film this video because I got a new mascara over the weekend. Well, I got a couple of new mascaras. And yeah, I want to try it out. This is new to me. It says new on the packaging, but I don't think this is new. I don't know. It's by Wet n Wild. It is the Get the Skinny mascara. It says captures every lash, Megaslim skinny mascara. We say every size matters, and this ultra slim mascara brush will showcase every little itty bitty lash you have. So I got this at CVS. It's like $5. So let's try it out. I don't really have high hopes for it, but let's see. Okay, so my final thoughts on this mascara. I actually finished getting ready and totally forgot to film this part of the video. This is pregnancy brain for you. I don't know if I'm still pregnant when this video is going up because I am pre-filming a bunch of videos. But yeah, just know at this point in time, me filming, I'm still pregnant and I'm just losing my mind, honestly. I think this is a great bottom lash mascara. I think this is my new favorite bottom lash mascara. As far as, well, you can't tell, I got falsies on now, but you saw in the clips, it really did nothing for my top lashes. And again, I said at the beginning of the video, I didn't really have high hopes for this mascara because, you know, it's cheap and it's Wet n Wild. Nothing against Wet n Wild. I just don't think that they make good mascaras. I think they make great other products. Yeah, if you're looking for a great bottom lash mascara, I would definitely recommend this one. That's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see in one of these episodes, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.